Hey everybody, Snowbird Gardener here. We had unexpected rain last night. Oh, it smells so good. The rain barrel, like one of them has a little bit in it and one of them looks about a quarter full. Wading pool has a little bit in it. The cooler has a little bit in it. And the plants are basking in the drench. You know, some people put fertilizer in water and spray it on the leaves. But how much better is the natural foliar feed, they call it. Rain. Good old natural rain on the leaves. That's interesting. One branch of the oleander came down and lots of the flowers came off. Oh, I loved the sound of it last night and I love the smell of it this morning. Reminds me of when I was a little kid and we'd go to Wisconsin every summer to visit my grandpa. When it would rain up there in all the woods and the forests, had that same smell that I'm smelling today. This precious volunteer of a pine tree on the hillside. Oh, got watered. Yay. I hope it grows big. There's one right up here that did grow big. Look at that. It's about 5 feet tall, maybe taller. Luckily, as soon as it started raining last night, I rushed out and uncovered the compost bins so that moisture would go in there. Then I just covered them up again so it'll stay wet inside there and the micro herd can do its thing. Buddy, what do you think, baby? Huh? What do you think? You like it? Does everything smell weird? Yeah? I think he thinks everything smells weird after it rains. Different. Maybe not weird, different. Well, let's check out the lower level after the rain. Ooh, I'm sure the orange tree loves all that moisture. And I'm sure the lemon tree loves it too. Ooh, it was so nice to get some rain in the in-ground compost bin. I think these are the best. I get the best results of making good compost in these. And I don't do anything to them. I just put the plant stuff in there and crush it down with my foot, cover it up, and that, it's got worms down in there, and that makes mighty fine compost. The fig tree is looking happy. Oh wow, look at that honey bear sunflower. So beautiful. Here's another one of those in-ground compost bins. Stomping it down. That just breaks it, into little pieces. So glad it got some rain. Okay, so opposed to these tall compost bins that dry out really fast here in our climate. And I'm thinking of maybe someday digging a big hole and putting these, sinking them down into the ground so they can stay more moist. But for now, can't complain. Ooh, there's some water on there. Let's see if I can get that water up and in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and a good old rock just to keep the wind from blowing it around. Well, what do you think, Peachy? Did you like the rain? Pretty cool, huh? Another Mexican sunflower. The Coreopsis love the rain. And Buddy, he's heading up. I'll see you again next time. Jesus loves us. He sends the rain for our crops. He's so good to us. Adios.